Hola, I'm Randy and you're watching Tech Support. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to properly film video using the Sony PMW-200. I'll be talking about some techniques to keep in mind while filming. I'm going to show you how to use different sizes of shots, applying the 180-degree rule, and how the 3 rings on the lens function. Let's begin with the 3 rings on the camera. So before you move the focus ring back, you need to make sure to have the focus button from auto to manual, and then you're able to pull it back. As well as the iris ring, you need to make sure to have it from auto to manual, and then you're able to control the lighting with this iris ring. So to make sure, if you want to use the zoom ring here, make sure underneath the lens, the zoom button has to be on manual. Then, if you want to control from up here, you also got to make sure the button is on servo and not on manual. And then you're able to control it here. Size of shots allows you to direct attention and give information to the viewer. The first size of shot is the extreme wide shot. Wide shots are used to emphasize a sweeping location around the subject. Next is the medium shot. Medium shots are the most common types of shots since they show most of the subject's body. A third size is the close-up. This allows the subject to occupy most of the frame, which results in a little observation on the environment. After you figured out a size of shot for a specific scene, you will need to consider an axis of action. Imagine a line between 2 characters. To understand 2 characters looking at each other, there must be an axis of action, which means the camera needs to be kept on one side of the line, allowing the characters to look in the same direction. This is known as the 180-degree rule. Don't forget to not cross that line. The camera must be on one side of the line. Now that you have an idea of the size of shots and the 180-degree rule, it's time to capture some video. Before we record, have you thought about the manipulation of the camera lens? When filming, a tilt shot moves continuously up to down or down to up. This is often used to show the vertical significance of something. Another shot is the pan shot, where the camera follows the action or reveals previously uninformed space as it moves horizontally. Another shot is the racking focus, where one changes the focus of the lens to a subject in the background from the foreground or vice versa. Now that you have a basic knowledge of how to properly film, go out and try them and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching Tech Support. Adios!